Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, we're going to talk about lips. Timestamps will be down below, so just to let you know. Today's video, we are going to be talking about the NYX Lingerie XXL. This is their new, I believe it's matte. I want to say it's matte. Their new matte lip glosses, lipstick, liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. Say that 3 times fast. I picked up 2 shades. This is like a follow-up or another release. You know how they released that one, that the long wear lipstick, and it has like the glossy side on the other side? So this is supposed to be long wear, mask proof colors. So I picked up 2 shades. The one shade I got was called Sizzlin, which is this pretty like reddish one, and the other one is called Stayin Juicy. So these retail for I think like $8. I picked them up on Ulta. It was like buy one get one half off or something like that. Oh no, I'm sorry, it was buy 2 get 1 free. I don't know, they had some sale, so I got it on sale. All right, so let's cut into swatches. We're gonna come back and then we're gonna apply it. All right, so here I have the 2 new matte liquid lipsticks from NYX. It's the NYX Lingerie XXL. I'm going to swatch them for you. I'm going to start off with Sizzlin, which is a nice deep red. This is what the applicator, this is what the applicator looks like. So it's a pretty red. It's nice and deep. So that's Sizzlin. And then here is Stayin Juicy. It's a really pretty pink. So it's a nice, like a nice pink shade, and this is the red. And you could see that the red, like when you swipe it, it kind of takes, I feel like it takes a little bit longer to dry down, but we'll try these out. And just for a quick comparison, this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It's got the same kind of applicator, which is nice because it's like kind of curved and tapered, so it'll help to line your lips a little bit better. All right, let's give these a shot. All right, swatches look pretty. I don't know, I just like reds and like berries. This one, the Stayin Juicy, is kind of pinky though, so we're gonna see how that one is. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna apply it to my lips. Then I'm gonna take it off because I have to go out today, and there is something that I definitely want to do. I want to put it on my lips, but I also want to put it as a little bit of blush. If you know me, you know if I like a lip color, I like to put it as a blush. And I have to wear a mask today for some time, and I want to see if that also stays on. Okay, so I think we're gonna start off with Stayin Juicy. So same applicator as the Maybelline ink ones. I feel like that's gonna be a lot. Let me, I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand for now. That's a pretty color. All right, so I'm gonna take this. And start applying. Oh, it's a pretty color. That's really pretty. Oh, okay. All right, this is a full coverage liquid lipstick for sure, because I only have to go around it once and it literally covered everything. I pick up the little bit that I have on the back of my hand and just apply a little bit more. That's super pretty. That is super. Okay, so now we're gonna wait a few seconds and we're gonna touch my fingers to my lips and see if there is transfer. These remind me a lot of the Maybelline Stay Matte. Hold on. I don't want to call it by the wrong thing. And I have it in another shade. Super Stay Matte Ink. It feels the same. And the scent is not as like vanilla-y as the other ones are. I want to give it like its true test or whatever. Let's see. It's got the same warning as the Stay Matte one from Maybelline, like do not apply or keep away from flame. So, all right, let's see. It's been at least a minute or so. So I'm going to take my fingers, come in. No transfer. Okay. All right, let's try the other shade. I'm just going to remove this. Next shade. Sizzlin, which is like it's a deep red. Oh, look at that color. I love those colors. Okay. I'm going to come in and I'm going to apply it. Please don't mind the leftover. I'm just going to go right over top. Okay, I am seriously appreciating this applicator because it's curved. So watch. I'm going to take the end and I'm just going over, but it's nice and flexible. So it's helping me get a nice line for my lip. And then it feels so creamy. And just like, because this is a dark color, so you see how some of the darkness kind of settles in certain areas? I'm just moving it around so it doesn't look patchy. So that is Sizzlin. I'm just tapping it to kind of like soften it a little bit. This doesn't count as a wear test because it's not dry yet. While that's drying down, I'm going to put some as blush. So I'm only taking a little bit that's left over on the back of my hand, and I'm like seriously shearing it out to my best ability. And I'm going to use that as a blush today. I would say with this particular product, if you're going to use it as a blush, definitely start like light, because I can definitely see this going heavy and then being like too much. You can always mix it with foundation, but I think as long as you go in light motions, you're fine. So you have like a few seconds to play around with it too, like if you need to make adjustments. See? Taking that last bit onto the other side. Super pretty. It doesn't feel drying. Definitely with a darker color though. I would just prep my lips a little bit better because I feel like I can see the lines in my lips a little bit more, but I need to do better care of my lips. And I just put one on and I took it off, so that may have aggravated my lips. So we're going to see how this wears all day. I'm gonna do a wear test with this. It is 11:36 right now. I'm gonna have lunch soon too, so we're gonna see how it wears. And yeah, all right, so we'll be back. Oh, I'll be back. I'll be back a little bit later, probably after lunch, and kind of show you what's going on. And then I'm gonna put my mask on too, because I gotta go do a makeup application, and we'll see how it wears. All right, so I'll be back for my check-in. Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick check-in. My goodness, my hair looks crazy. On the lips. So I'm gonna get in close and you can see what's going on. Now, as far as it transferring on my mask, excuse my mask, like this part is dirty because I need to wash my mask, but there's no lipstick on it. So it stays on. But I noticed something, and I think it's mainly with deeper lip colors, because I've noticed even just across the board with different brands, when you're working with a lip color that's dark, this starts to happen. And of course I can still, and there's really like no transfer. Like if you were in person, you could see like a faint lip. But if I come here and I go like this, like I can kind of take it a little bit off. So I want to take this off because I don't like the way it looks. I think with the lighter colors, it will be better. Something about deeper colors, like when you're applying it, the pigment kind of gets a little bit funny. Like here, I had to touch up before because my lip line was a little crooked. But I don't like how it starts to fade like this. I don't like that. So I'm going to take that off. So overall, these are mask proof. It's not going to move. I think you're safer with not the deepest colors because they get a little bit funny. Or maybe it's just the color Sizzlin. Oh, and I had put it on as a blush. I don't see that it moved or anything. So if you want to double it from a lip to a cheek product, I think you're good. If you got to wear a mask, you're good. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, but it's nice. My lips don't feel dry. They feel pretty soft. I just don't like the way the dark color kind of starting to disappear on my lips because it's not even. So, but overall, a good product. The color is really pretty. The wear time is great. I had a mask on. I had to do a makeup application. And this is it. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next one.